Hi guys, I'm Jazz and welcome to this 10-minute ab workout. This routine is going to help you improve your core strength and endurance. But if you really want to grow abs even faster, consider pairing it with hypertrophy-based training or try adding some weights. For our first exercise, we're going to press our spine into the ground and do some walks. This is really going to help you activate your core. If your back arches up when you lay down, try to press it deeper into the ground until your back is completely flat. And for our next exercise, we're going to do some crunches. Try to avoid using momentum to swing yourself up. Instead, use your core and try to lift yourself forward. Remember, the aim is just to crunch upwards as far as we can. You don't have to go really high, just as far as your core movement will allow. And with some practice, this is going to get even easier. Next, we're going to hold a low plank for 30 seconds. Try to keep your hips lowered and your knees straight. Great job, guys. Now we're going to come up into a high plank. And now we're going to do spider planks. So stay in your high plank and lift each leg to the side. Just imagine you're a spider reaching out with its legs. And now we're going to do some touchdowns. Make sure your core is pressed into the ground like we did in the beginning, and then lower your legs as far as they can go without your core lifting up. Raise them back up, and we're going to do this 10 times. Next, we're going to do reverse crunches. I like to pretend I'm grabbing onto something over my head, and it makes this so much easier to focus on my core. We're going to lift ourselves with our core, remember, not with momentum, and we're going to slowly lower ourselves back down. Trust me, guys, this is much harder than it looks. And if you're doing it right, you are definitely going to feel it in your core. And now we're going to do some good old-fashioned sit-ups. So try to sit up without using momentum and use your core to lift yourself up. Next, we're going to do Russian twists. So keep your body stable and twist from side to side. If you can, try to lift your legs off the ground. If you can't, no worries, just keep it on the ground and keep still, moving side to side. Great job, guys. We're almost done, and this is our very last exercise. Now we're going to do some heel taps. So stay on your back and try to tap your heels. Now we're going to do one more set of heel taps, but this time put your arms underneath your head for some supports. Amazing job, guys. You can do this routine for at least 2 weeks to start seeing progress. If this video helped you, hit the subscribe button so I can know and you can get notified every time I post a new video. Alright, if you want to cool down after this, you can try one of my stretching routines on the screen or in one of my playlists. Alright guys, bye!